Welcome back to WordPress site migration course. After watching the previous video, you might be thinking that you have wasted your time and this plugin alone can do the job and you should not go for the other option I have been teaching you. But that's not true. In this video, I will explain you when you can use this plugin and what are the situation when this plugin cannot help you. So you can use the WP Clone plugin when the size of the site is not very large. It can be used with the size of 200 or 300 MB websites. But if your site is large up to several GBs, then this plugin would not work. Secondly, it can be used when you have to migrate your website from one host to another host with different domains, because in order to use this plugin, you must have two WordPress dashboards, and dashboards cannot be accessed definitely without the domain names, so you cannot use it in the other situation. Thirdly, you can use it for the local host to live server migrations as well, but it doesn't work all the time. So why this plugin is not sufficient for all type of migration? Firstly, it doesn't work with large sites. As I have told you earlier that it works with small size very well, but it doesn't work with large size. Secondly, it works 9 out of 10 times, means there are chances of failure as well. So sometimes this plugin would not work and you will have to use a traditional way of migration I have taught you. Lastly, you cannot use this plugin when you have to migrate your WordPress site from one host to another using the same domain. As I've told you that you must have two domains, two control panel, two WordPress dashboard in order to use this plugin. So hopefully you have learned much from this course and I expect a good feedback from your side. Thank you so much.